uri ri showcase the cultures zashu ri divane sa batho ba Africa. The chumbra competition, it's not always done in a healthy way. And ariko rizwa mumwe zvikwine kazva mumwe, you know. And I think that's where zvithu zvononga xenophobia zvida again ngori riva riko compare zvanyi zvikwine auna vukwine. We are all different. It was a lot of them were organizers of these cultural performers. We wanted to get those people together so that we can start with this recruitment of their performances. So a lot of them within mahosi ane komashango ane baba ba hone ndi bone bane ba coordinators performance and so on. We were also honored to have Messina municipality was also there. We had some academics from the university. We had some celebrities with as far as Golden Rhino goes, like I said, it's a movement. The movement continues. We are going to continue, like I said, with the dialogues that we talked about. We're going to continue with efforts to showcase and to celebrate our art and culture in South Africa, in Limpopo, in Africa at large. Golden Rhino Cultural Exchange would like ringatakaro ribone ichikoya kamashango pambana nao kadzi province dzopambana nao, because a cultural exchange ringasidzore richiko showcase zvithu zviti chipinga chose ufunova una uguda rorali rivavenda zvamalende na chikona na mini richikono zviwisa razvisa KZN, razvisa Cape Town, razvisa Malawi. That will be a real cultural exchange. So yes, the vision is to take it throughout Africa. Cultural exchange, Karine, is not an event, it is a movement. So zviva zvichikoya futi nauri wamadhembe yorari rina division ine rakuitoma ine yatova a sort of agency for cultural performances and artists. Une mutu orala a Cape Town achikoita munyanya achikonyaga vatu vamalende vachida vamuchinera ngemnyanyani wavo. We are able to make the link and put those people together. So it's not a once-off thing. Yes, the event will be an annual thing, but the movement is constant. The movement continues. Na zvino riko continua uri ane vala vatu vava performa vakotakarwa ngavatu vanji. We're going to make sure that they get the business and they get to perform on different platforms. Like to contact Wamadembe Projects, you can do so on 081 583 0382, otherwise on 082 760-5646. On email, you can get us at madembem2, that's MADEMBEM2 @gmail.com. Golden Rhino Cultural Exchange has pages on Facebook and Twitter and Instagram. Look out for those. Look out for other pages that will be coming up in the near future. And yeah, let's talk.